Now, when it comes to this major cryptocurrency pullback we're seeing today, Terra Luna Classic back down around 8,500 points per coin, Bitcoin touching $25,000, Ethereum 1,700, Shiba Inu coin 500 points per coin. Gary Gensler and the SEC are to blame. Guys, this is a much different pullback than we were seeing last year when FTX collapsed. This is much different pullback than when Terra Luna Classic had that death spiral and came falling down from the heavens to touch the all-time lows that it went to. This is much different than any exchange filing for bankruptcy, scamming people. This is different than a hack. This is the good guys causing price declines. Now, in this video, we're going to discuss a little bit about why Terra Luna Classic may not be as affected as some of the other coins. And, the fact that I do believe long-term, everything's going to be good. But we're going to be looking at the cryptocurrency industry right now. We're going to be looking at Terra Luna Classic specifically and talking about what we can expect moving forward. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2023 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We're here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link in the description below for Webull. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and a $1 crypto trade is going to get you $5 in free crypto. If you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders, so the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, guys, nothing is safe right now, all right? Invest at your own risk. Gary Gensler is out to destroy the market. We get that. We understand that. The United States is coming after you and your crypto, and it's not going to be easy to hold through this, and I do expect lower prices than we are currently seeing right now. I mean, this is just the smoke. This is just the beginning of the fire starting here. Gary Gensler is going to try and burn the industry down. Now, we've got Bitcoin down around 25,000, Ethereum $1,700, Shiba Inu coin touching 500 points per coin. Shiba Inu coin hasn't been at 500 points per coin since May of 2021 when it ran to 3,500 points per coin and then wicked down on a one-day period to that 500 point per coin level. We are experiencing massive declines. Terra Luna Classic, 85 to 8,700 points per coin, at least at the time we're recording this video. Hey, by the time this video is released, it can be back down to 4 or 5,000. It could be all the way back up to 10,000. The volatility is crazy right now. But as you guys noticed at the beginning, I pointed out that the difference is not a bad news. This is not, an exchange going bankrupt. This is not some sort of a hack. This is apparently the good guys, the regulators out there looking out for you and me. And it's causing a massive price decline in Terra Luna Classic and so on. Now, we could touch a little bit on that in a second here, but I want to focus on Terra Luna Classic for a second because a lot of people may be a little bit concerned right now. And why do I think that, yes, Terra Luna Classic will follow the overall industry, but Terra Luna Classic has already been attacked by the SEC. Terra Luna Classic, USTC, Luna 2.0, these coins have already been attacked by the SEC when they filed lawsuit against Terraform Labs and Do Kwon. Luna 2.0 was directly named as a security, and we know that Terra Luna Classic is basically Luna 2.0 is basically just a fork off of Terra Luna Classic. So the SEC has already come out and named Terra Luna Classic and the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem and Luna 2.0, Terraform Labs, Do Kwon, all of these guys in a lawsuit. Yes, we saw a little bit of a pullback from that, but Terra Luna Classic absolutely survived. Why? Plain and simple. It's not something that is under the jurisdiction or not something that is under the reach and control of the SEC. For some reason, and I do not know why, the SEC has forgotten who they are. Gary Gensler has forgotten his job, and it seems like nobody is reminding him of what his job is right now. His job is to protect retail investors. To protect retail investors from insider trading, to protect retail investors from the corruption of Wall Street, to protect retail investors from institutional investors who will absolutely at every corner take advantage and dilute retail investors and so on. But Gary Gensler has made it his mission, for some reason, to control the cryptocurrency space. Not to protect retail investors, but to have that control and to have that power. So, until somebody reminds this man what his job is, what his reach is, and so on, the crypto industry is going to go through some tough times. It is going to go through some growing pains, and Terra Luna Classic will and can absolutely be affected by everything going on in the space. Guys, Terra Luna Classic isn't necessarily moving lower right now, or these other cryptocurrencies aren't necessarily moving lower right now, because regulation is going to be a bad thing. What is happening is a drastic overreach and abuse of power, and therefore people are beginning to panic right now. Not panicking because cryptocurrency might be labeled as a security, not panicking because Gary Gensler's a good guy and he's out there, trying to save us from the bad guys in the crypto world, but panicking because they don't know if their assets are going to be safe. They don't know if these exchanges are going to exist tomorrow. They don't know if these exchanges are going to allow you to withdraw in US dollars tomorrow. What we're seeing right now is Binance winding down business in the United States, Coinbase delisting cryptocurrencies on a whim because the SEC is acting a fool. You've got Crypto.com winding down its U.S. institutional investor arm and potentially going to do the same thing with its retail arm. Right now, the environment here in the United States is not conducive to growth. In fact, it is conducive to killing the retail investor, destroying their portfolio and taking all of their money and putting it in the hands of the institutional investors and into the hands of the SEC. It is the exact opposite of what the SEC should be doing. Nobody is stepping up. Nobody is saying anything. And until somebody does, they will continue to abuse their power. So as that happens, people are going to panic, people will spread fear, and people will continue to sell off. Until we get some actual clarity, until we get a hero to stand up and save the day, until we get Gary Gensler out of the SEC, it is going to potentially be nothing but bad news. Terra Luna Classic will be affected because, of course, the overall demand will be decreasing as people show their uncertainty and as people show their fear. Until we get some confidence back in this market, it is going to be something we have to live through, and it's going to be something that we have to be willing to hold through. Do I think that the bottom is in right now? No, because I don't think that Gary Gensler has been stopped yet. So until that happens, I do think that we should brace for the absolute worst and hope for the absolute best. I want to know what you guys think. Down in the comments below, how much lower do you think cryptocurrency and Terra Luna Classic are going to go? Let us know, and if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. You guys got ClayBro 883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance, free Discord, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.